Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: eyelet curtains. If you're looking to enhance the aesthetics of your space while enjoying practical benefits, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about eyelet curtains, from their unique features to installation and even comparisons with other curtain types. So let's dive in. Eyelet curtains, also known as grommet curtains, have gained popularity for a reason. They come with a variety of features that make them stand out. Modern look. First and foremost, eyelet curtains offer a contemporary and stylish appearance that complements a wide range of interior design styles. Easy operation. The metal rings, or eyelets, at the top of these curtains slide smoothly along the curtain rod, making them incredibly easy to open and close. Effortless maintenance. Eyelet curtains are simple to maintain. They can be machine washed, saving you time and effort. No need for hooks. Curtains don't require curtain hooks, as the eyelets themselves are built into the fabric. Efficient light control. The way eyelet curtains hang ensures that they create elegant folds, while also allowing for efficient control of natural light. Noise reduction. Due to their pleated design, these curtains can help dampen outside noise, providing a quieter and more comfortable environment. Variety of fabrics. Eyelet curtains are available in a wide range of fabrics, patterns, and colors, allowing you to customize your space to your taste. Now, let's explore the various types of eyelet curtains available to suit your preferences. Sheer eyelet curtains. Sheer eyelet curtains are perfect for filtering light while maintaining privacy. They create an ethereal and breezy atmosphere. Blackout eyelet curtains. If you're looking for optimal light control and room darkening, blackout eyelet curtains are a great choice, especially for bedrooms and home theaters. Printed eyelet curtains. Add personality to your space with printed eyelet curtains that come in a range of patterns, from floral to geometric designs. Installing eyelet curtains is a breeze. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you out. Measure and mark. Start by measuring your window's width and length. Mark where you'll install the curtain rod brackets. Install brackets. Attach the curtain rod brackets securely to the wall, ensuring they're level. Thread the eyelets of the curtain onto the rod, making sure they're evenly distributed. Hang the curtains. Place the rod with the threaded curtains onto the brackets. Make any adjustments to ensure the curtains hang evenly. Now, let's compare eyelet curtains with other popular curtain types. Eyelet curtains versus rod pocket curtains. Unlike rod pocket curtains that gather at the top, eyelet curtains create elegant folds. Eyelet curtains versus tab-top curtains. Tab-top curtains have fabric loops for the curtain rod, but eyelet curtains offer a more modern and streamlined appearance. To wrap up, here are some compelling reasons to choose eyelet curtains for your space. Aesthetic appeal. Eyelet curtains add a touch of sophistication and elegance to any room. Easy operation. Their effortless operation makes them suitable for daily use. Light control. Enjoy the ability to control natural light while maintaining privacy. Noise reduction. Experience a quieter environment with the pleated design of these curtains. Versatility. With a wide range of fabrics and styles, you can easily find the perfect match for your decor. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to eyelet curtains. We've covered their features, benefits, installation, and types, and even compared them to other curtain styles. If you're looking to elevate the look of your space while enjoying practical advantages, consider adding eyelet curtains to your interior design repertoire. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more home decor tips and guides.